Hello everyone, welcome to this math video where we will need to find a percentage decrease for the price of a computer system. You can do it step by step. I would like to first find the decrease first. It decreased from $1,250 to $1,050. So the decrease is $200. Therefore, the percentage decrease over original value times 100%. And this will give me 16%. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please feel free to click on the subscribe button. Mr. Ryan Tan here. Always happy to share with you how to solve math problem as always.